There's a new report trending on the social media. Say Kumasi Asante Kotoko has submitted a second bid for Heart of Lions midfielder yefreno Etsi Dogli. Na asemono emunti ase ne munchiremu na mede ebro no kra na asenye no kra. The first thing obia bebusa say Etsi Dogli report abeto dwa say Kotoko has submitted bid for renegotiation to sign him no. Kotoko for why mo and I submit a bid. No, that's the first question. Asemba yenya abotre na yempemunti ase yenye munhunu no ansa na asem no ye kabi ya kabi. And then on social media no so Facebook ni ade. Se Kotoko enwumere ya submit bid for Etsi Dogli. Etsi Dogli tamana IMC no no was on the radar of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But say no IMC ni ho. IMC no are not negotiating on behalf of Kotoko. They are gone. The season is over, and there is new Kumasi Asante Kotoko board. It is expected, say, board no ebeye omu coach appointment. No mu de adwuma no amano. No mo a guide no. Enti, mamenchi omu. Etsi Dogli a very good midfielder. Oba Kotoko ameni beje, but enumere inchiremu ne say as we speak, Kotoko and submit a bid for Etsi Dogli. Take it from Super 24 TV. Mena make us a from a blog man. Na Etsi Dogli a yeka no wasemi. Ma men kana min senche me say we a good player. Oba Kotoko e ha me nemo no asem no de etie no ne aka. Enkofuo bi e yo ma agenda. Kotoko yenya appointee coach no kra no. Enkofuo bi a hyeden ma hyehye adwuma say players we ni de ebe ma o ma ba Kotoko. Sade no ene edi Kotoko nya over the years. Adwuma opanyi kwankyerefo edi adwuma no be ma no ono ene emra na omra no ombeye ne scouting na yehu se no player we obeboa obefit in na empanyifo ma na approval no asensan no Etsi Dogli na no ya no sign for your friend is saying Heart of Lions in August 2025 and o sign 3 years the contract with Heart of Lions bebe we 2028. Now, abra Heart of Lions for sign on na team se omo pen no e House of Folk eni media ma. And na me no kasa nyina no media ma for no enam se omo kobo African nti omo chesi no. Enti report abetum se Kotoko pen no. He's a fine player. Nemo no se Kotoko obia ni ho a okodi recruitment ho nkomo. Enye board no na ekodi recruitment ho nkomo. Enti eni enhya no so. He was part of the players and na Kotoko then IMC airport and the handing over notice that anopa na be chire mu na o wa che some players bi a Kotoko enya omo ebe ka squad ho ebeboa na we no kra no the way si born the ball no similar to connected mamen kan connected Hilary Adabo odaso wo ho Prince Badu edaso wo ho Hibejo edaso wo ho Saka Dauda eda so ho wale name of Hussein eda so obi busa say so would still Kotoko need Etsi Dogli na Etsi Dogli ebeba na say omma it is subjected to midfielders amabuboyi say ebi kwa Etsi Dogli may join and the final decision rests with Asante Kotoko new coach Orban.